Hi guys, this is Mike with Ultimate Tech Hub, and today we're comparing two GPUs, the 1660 Ti and the 1050 Ti. Let's find out which is the better value considering price and performance. And please hit subscribe so you can be a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub team. Now, we have previously installed both of these GPUs, and the video links will be at the end of this video. While we know that the 1660 is a better GPU, the question really is it worth the $120 upgrade? Let's find out. On the screen, can you tell which one is the 1660 and which one is the 1050? Did you figure it out yet? If you didn't, don't worry, we're going to try it again. Now, for some reason I thought this was easier to figure out during the day. I'm going to give you a hint. Check out the shadows. The dog shadows give it away. See the shadow on the right? The dog? See the flickering? That gives it away. Let's look at the specs. The 1050 beats it in price, obviously, but the GPU engine specs, all three categories, the 1660 outperforms. Let's check out the memory specs. Memory speed, standard memory, memory interface, and memory bandwidth all outperform. Let's check out technology support. Multi-projection, yes, that's good. G-Sync ready, game stream ready, that's good. Yeah, VR ready? No. Both have the GPU boost, which is nice. The 1660 is VR ready, which is a bonus, and also is G-Sync compatible, although it's not designed for the USB Type-C or Virtual Link. The refresh rate is double on the 1660. That's kind of why you saw the flickering of the shadow on the 1050. The power specs are better for the 1050 because it consumes less power. So, is the 1050 Ti good for gaming? The answer is yes, surprisingly so, but with certain limitations. The 1050 Ti is a great budget GPU priced at $159. So the question really is it worth the $120 upgrade to go to the 1660? I think so. It outperformed the 1050 in almost all specs. Its only downfall was a larger power consumption. So if you couldn't guess which screen was the 1660, then you will most likely enjoy the 1050. It's a great value. However, if you guessed right, then spending the extra $120 would be worth the upgrade. I want to thank you guys for watching and being a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub team. And if you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified of future reviews and tech videos. And as promised, here is the link to both installs of the 1050 and the 1660. Thanks again for watching.